Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video consulting style businesses and are you leveraging the online space to reach your ideal client. The online space has changed the way we do business. It has made an opportunity available for people of all walks of life to be able to come online and generate income by providing a service based on their knowledge, their skills, or their passion, and being able to position themselves in such a way to get that done takes know-how. And so if you're new to the online space and you want to come online and start a consulting style business, or maybe you already have one, but you haven't positioned yourself to do so from an online perspective, then you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table because the online space allows us to reach more and more people on a larger scale, nationally as well as globally, where our ideal client we can reach through our message. See, our message is the key to reaching our ideal client. And number one, we have to figure out who our ideal client is in order to be able to reach them with our message. And so if you have a consulting style business and you haven't positioned your business online to reach your ideal client, then you're definitely leaving money on the table because basically with social media being what it is, it allows us to reach our ideal client once we know who our ideal client is. And I'm gonna give you an example of that. For me, my ideal client happens to be in one particular area of tax preparation. I have a tax preparation business. And so my ideal client concerning that business is the person who wants their taxes done accurately and professionally based on their individual situation. That's who my ideal client avatar is. And as long as those people fall into that category, those who I deem as my ideal client, because they're not looking for nothing done special. They're not looking for you to do anything outside of preparing an accurately and professionally done tax return based on their situation, and that's it. And that's all. And that's the ideal client avatar that I look for and who I do business with. And so that's what is important for you to determine, and only you can determine that for your business. Everybody who files a tax return isn't my ideal client because they don't follow to those perimeters I just spoke about. Also, if you have a consulting style business that you want to get started and you want to leverage the internet in doing so, I can definitely help you make that happen, uh, which comes at a price because we're talking about business. And so, since I'm in the business of helping other entrepreneurs start a business, I charge a fee for that. But I charge a fee for that because I'm here to make a living based on what I do in my consulting style business, so I can help you to make a living with you starting your consulting style business. So, as an example of a consulting style business will be number one, I know a young lady who helps people for free get a job, do resumes, help them with the interview process, and all of that for no money. It's just something she's been doing. It's a passion of hers, and she just like helping people. So that's how it started. But I told her a few years back, if you ever lost your main job, this will be your secondary income stream for you until you got another permanent job, because there's people who are charging for the services that you already do for free. And she was reminded of that because a young man had told her that it's a lady across town who actually charges a fee to help do what you do for free. So she's been exposed and the seed has been planted with me and another person that she's already helping to get a job and go through the interview process and go help them with the resume and all of those things. So providing a service in any area can fall into consulting. So if you help a person with tutoring, you know what I'm saying, you can look at that as a consulting style tutoring business where you're helping a person get a certain result in a specific area. You might be tutoring in math or English or history or Spanish or whatever the case may be. If you're helping a person to get a specific result uh, from the business, then we can look at that as a consulting style business model that you can leverage online to make money from. And so that's how the online space has changed the game when it comes to generating life-changing income for regular people like ourselves who traditionally didn't have the capital needed the credit needed or the finances needed or the resources needed to really start a business properly out the gate. And so the online spaces help fill in the gap where you can get started with an online consulting style business much cheaper than a brick and mortar consulting style business, because the online space is practically free. You just need some resources to connect to it, like an internet service provider, and the fees vary for that based on where you live at and what you're willing to pay. Laptop, computer, desktop computer, or even a tablet or phone is another option to reaching the internet through an internet provider. And so there's so many ways to get started inexpensively with your consulting style business, and definitely leveraging the internet is a good way to go. So another example of that is I have a friend who helps people learn how to sew. She used to work for a school, but when the COVID hit, it shut down a whole lot of schools who people lost their jobs, who provided different services in different areas. And I told her I could help her transition over to the online space to teach people who want to learn how to sew, how to do that from home. But she never reached back out to me, and that's fine, because all I do is plant the seed, let you know I'm available to help you, and I help make it happen if you're willing to take action on that. And so when it comes to the consulting style business model and leveraging the internet, if you're not doing that and you're looking to start a consulting style business and you need help and direction and guidance, please reach out to me. This link right here takes you to my booking page where we have 3 options. One is a discovery call for $99 where I'm going to listen to you, find out where you're at with your idea, your business, or what you want to do, and put together a simple game plan of action that's going to allow you to take the next steps to getting started with your consulting style business. The second option is consulting services for $167, where I'll help you hands-on get your consulting style business set up based on our interaction in the first place, on what you share with me, on what you're looking to do or what you're already doing when it comes to having a consulting style business and you're looking to bring it online. The third option is a free 30-minute coaching call for people who are looking to start their own tax preparation business who don't want to get started by themselves. So that free 30-minute coaching call will educate you and give you real-world training information on how to learn how to prepare individual income taxes that you can check out and read for yourself to see if this is a good fit for you when it comes to tax preparation and taxation, which is a career industry in itself. And so whatever category that you fall into with those 3 booking call ideas, you have to choose the one that best fits you. Like I said, the discovery call is basically going to be something that's going to help the person that's new to coming online, who's looking to start a business, who's not clear on what they need to be doing, what direction they should be going, and what they should have set up. The discovery call will leave you with the next steps to take, the different items you need to have in place, and then you go out there and make it happen. The second step is our consulting services, where if you book that for $167, it's to take you a step further than the discovery call, because I'm going to lay it out for you, show you what you need to have, and walk you through the next steps you need to take hands-on. So you're going to have some hands-on guidance and leadership from me with the consulting service option versus the discovery call option. The discovery call option is just going to help educate you and show you what you need to do and what you need to have in place, and it's going to be up to you to make it happen. That third option, again, is for women who look to start their own tax preparation business in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. I'm going to have a Zoom call where you get to be face-to-face. We're going to interact with one another, and I'm going to send you over some information through email that you can check out for the forms and the publications on learning the knowledge and skills to tax preparation. So if you can see if this is a good fit for you and if it's something you want to do in the first place, because until you take action, you won't really find out if tax preparation business model is the right fit for you. You just won't. And so the quicker you take action on it, the quicker you can make the next moves on what you want to do by saying, yeah, I'm ready to go forward, or no, it's not what I want, let me rethink that and then try something else. So when it's all said and done, consulting services and you leveraging the internet to make it happen is key to not leaving so much money on the table. And if you don't know how to do that, you need my assistance. Choose one of the booking calls with my link that's right there. And I'll leave the description of that also inside the video on my YouTube channel, which is the world of tax preparation. And I always give you permission to give me a call as well by leaving my contact information. But that's why I got my booking system set up. So if you want one of those services, 99, 167, or the free coaching for the tax preparation career business model, whatever shoe fits you, only you know that. Reach out to me. Let's talk, let's chat, let's connect, and let me see if I can help you get up and running and have your business online ready to go and start to generate leads and customers and sales inside your business. And I'll see you in my next video.